everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Hinge likes not showing. To fix Hinge likes not showing, you can start by logging out your Hinge account and then logging in again, because this is the most effective fix for ghosted matches or hidden likes. Now the second what you can do is force close the app. You see, when you open a Hinge app and your likes are hidden or not showing, you can just swipe it up and then swipe it up again to completely close it from your multitasking screen. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for the Hinge app. Once you search it, if an update option is available here, just tap on update to get the latest version of Hinge app. Now the next what you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or a cellular data, or you can just switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.